All right, hey everyone, I'm going to be talking about the package called Scatterplot3d. It's a pretty simple package that you can use to create a nice graphics with as up to 3 different variables. So what I did here was I created 3 different simple variables. You have height, weight, shoes that I concatenated into them to create 3 separate vectors. So we input those objects. And then what we'll do down here is create a plot based on those objects. So we do plot equals Scatterplot3d. We specify the x is height, the y is weight, and the z is shoe. And then there's a whole bunch of different additional options that you can select within the package. So PCH, for example, is a value that specifies the shape of the individual points on the chart. Main is just the way you title it. Type, you'll see it'll create vertical lines to drop the points down to the horizontal plane, so you know where the plots are lying. And then highlight.3d equals true will just give us some colors that will give us a little bit more information about the plot. So we'll go ahead and run that. And you'll see here, we get a pretty simple plot. I only have 10 data points, but you can see you have height versus shoe versus weight here. So what we can do now to give us a little bit more information is we can create a plane that best fits the model based on those objects. So what we do here is create an object called plane based on a linear model of shoe versus height and weight. So we create that object. You see that in the console. And then the last thing that we'll do is insert the plane on the plot. And the way you do that is specify the plot, which we have here, the object of plot. And then plane 3D, which is a nice function, and then specify the name of the plane, which we just called plane. So run that. You see here, we have a pretty nice, easy graph that displays the height versus the shoe size versus the weight, and then you have a nice plane that summarizes the data. All right, thank you.